I'm Brian from iWire Subaru Wiring Services. We're going to show you how to replace an alternator plug.
The first most important step is to disconnect the battery. If you do not, you can cause the terminals to spark. The plug will be a little tight and difficult to remove. Since we are replacing it, you can use a pair of pliers to wiggle it out. Try not to pull on the wires too hard because you don't want to yank them out of the plug. The tools you'll need are a pick tool, which you'll use to pull the terminals out, and you'll also use a small screwdriver to pull the blue lock out. To pull the lock out, line up the small screwdriver with the small tab at the bottom of the lock. Gently pry it out. You don't want to use too much force here or you can break the connector. Next, use the pick tool to release the terminals. The goal is to lift the small plastic lock tab on the bottom of the terminals so they slide out easily. This picture roughly shows what is needed. If you have successfully lifted the terminal lock tab, it will slide out easily. Don't pull too hard on the terminals or you may pull the wire out by accident. Make sure before you remove them you note what order the wiring went into the plug. The wires need to be inserted in the same order for this replacement to work. For 2-wire alternator plugs, you'll want to insert a cavity plug into the third slot. This will prevent corrosion. Next, reinsert the terminals into the new plug. Make sure they are in the same order as they were removed. You can also remove and reinstall the wires one at a time to ensure the correct wire placement. If the terminals look bad, we also sell replacements. Finally, insert the new lock piece and plug it into the alternator.
Snap. You're done.
Perfect. Okay, Lou, you're free. Okay.
Just because Lou's cute. Hey, Lou.